Welcome to another episode of your review channel, and you stopped on this video because you want to know how to add video to eBay. So it's pretty simple. There's a couple of things that you have to know. You have to know how to use YouTube, you have to know how to use eBay, and you just have to know how to copy and paste. So those are the three things you really have to know. So I'm going to just go over this step by step and just show you how to add video to your eBay listings. And that's really, really effective, especially if you have a specific item. Like here's an item here that I sold a while back. I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to do this step by step, so you know how to add video to your eBay listings using YouTube. So here's a video here of a Santa. So you can see here. So here's a video I created of the Santa that's animated. It talks, it speaks, it moves, but you really want to just, you want to convey the information on eBay. And the best way to really do that is use video, right? Everybody does that. So, but people are a little bit confused on how to add that to your listing and how to add that to your eBay listing. It's really going to be important. So here's a real simple step. So once you create the video, and that's the first thing you have to know is how to use YouTube, how to make a YouTube video. And I have a tutorial on there as well. And I'll leave a card at the end of this video how to basically use YouTube, real basic. So there's a couple different steps, and it's really, really easy. So let's do the first step first. So you created a YouTube video and you want to put this on your eBay listing. Okay. So here's a video that I created, and this is an older one, and I'm making a mock listing now just to show you. So let's go back to here. So here's the video. So what do? So you have to go to a site to convert the information from YouTube to eBay. So they don't really like to share. They don't play well together for some reason, but that's a different story. But what you want to do is you want to basically embed this into your listing, which means add the video to the bottom of your listing, your body of it. But you need a tool to do that. So the tool you want to use is called Flipper Tools, is the actual website, flippertools.com. And I'll leave a link in the body of the description so you can see that. So you go to Flipper Tools, and then what you want to do here is basically copy and paste the line up here, which is the browser. That's all you have to do. So you take that. This is the YouTube, basically your video, and you just copy that. So right click and then hit copy. Then you just go back to the Flipper Tools and you just paste it right here. Okay. So you paste that. And once you paste that, you just hit OK. So that's really easy. So you can see here what it does. It took the video from YouTube, created an HTML code right here, and shows you the output. So this is what it's going to look like on your page. And basically, it's just, you don't want to make eBay very complicated. Make it very simple text and very simple video, and you will sell a lot. It's really that simple. But really, this has really helped me generate more sales by using video, and I'm just going to teach you that. So here's the video, and here is the HTML code. So you don't have to, right click all that. Just all you have to do is just click on copy. So what that did is just copied everything here automatically. So that's all set, right? So you have your video, you have it all set on this website here, which is really cool, Flipper Tools. And then you just paste it here, hit OK, and now you have your video here. So now what do? How do you put it into your eBay listing? So that's where it doesn't get tricky, but it's just a step at a time. So now let's go to my listing that I created. So I got the Santa Claus thing here. Make sure you fill in all the appropriate information. And if you're not sure how to do a listing on eBay, I'll also leave another card at the end of this video so you can see how to do basic listings on eBay. Have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'll be glad to help you with either YouTube or eBay, whatever you need help with. I'll be glad to help you with anything that you need help with. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying this tutorial. It does help me out and helps me grow my channel so I can help reach more eBay users and help people to grow their business. Okay, so that out of the way. So you have all this information here. Make sure everything is filled out. Make sure this dot is filled in. Check out all my eBay tutorials. If you don't know how to do that, check all this. It's really important. If that's not filled in, you will not have any sales. So make sure you fill that in. So here we are. So we're in the item description. So here it is right here. So we have a standard and an HTML. So my recommendation when you're doing video is take the text, put it in the center. Okay, so now it's in the center. Click on HTML. And what you want to do is just drop that down a couple lines, right, out of the way. And then you just want to just copy. So you already copied it already from the other site here. So you already copied your header here. You copied your HTML code here. So now you want to paste it into eBay. So you just hit right click on your mouse, hit paste. Now see what happened here. This whole code is basically this video, okay? So if you want to see it, now you have to just toggle back to standard, and boom, there it is. And the reason why I told you to put the information below it, as you can see here, it's right below it in the center, exactly below your video. So now this is what it is. Here's the video. And if you did it in HTML code, you really can't see here. You can just see where it ends here. Then you have this division. If you want to move that line down a little bit more, you can just click that, and you can see it moves it out just a little bit further. And that's it. So this is not a live link on eBay. So what happens at this point is that once you hit live, so you did your video, we are able to put it on YouTube, we're able to copy and paste it and encode it, and now we put it on eBay. So what happens at this point? So at this point here, nothing happens. You can click this, nothing will happen. So basically what this becomes is a basic hyperlink. So once this becomes live, it'll take it to your YouTube video and show the video. So the kind of takes it off your site, which is kind of a bummer, but people understand how that works. So, oh, there's the video for it. Okay, I'll go back and I'll buy it, or I won't buy it. So you finish up the process, and then we list the item. Okay, so someone's going to search on eBay and they're going to find this item here. So here it is here. So let's go back to the listing. So this listing is live. So they'll see the photo that you put a couple of good photos on. Okay, and you can see my tutorials on adding photos to eBay. And here's the video. Okay, now this video is a live video now. So what happens when I click on it? Watch what happens. Now it pops up right to YouTube, and boom, plays the video. So there it is. So there's your video on YouTube that shows a description, shows the video that what you did, and here is the listing on eBay. So it would be nice if eBay will allow us to embed right into the actual listing itself, so it doesn't pull us off the eBay platform. But unfortunately, I guess eBay doesn't play well with others, or YouTube doesn't play well with others, or I don't know what it is. But this is just a tutorial just to show you how to do that. I hope it was clear. Watch the video again if you're not sure. This is really the easiest way to do that. Any questions or comments, leave down below in the description box. I'll be glad to help you. If you have any confusion, I'll help direct you into the right place where to go. I'll leave a link down below for the tool right here. Okay, Flippa Tools. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can see that link. So you just click on the link, copy, paste, embed it, and boom, and that's easy. All right, guys, if you have any questions or comments, again, leave down below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope I made this somewhat simple in understanding how to add video to your eBay listings. Okay, guys, I appreciate your time as always. You have a great day, and I'll see you at the next review.